Hello everyone, this is a quick and simple Blender tutorial in order to create the texture atlases for models, to combine models into singular materials. And well, let's just assume that you have your models already on the scene, already loaded. And for this case it's going to be just a model for Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, and in this case I want to join this Minecraft Steve character into the texture of the shirt. And for that, first of all, we need the character to be actually in the same material. So I'm going to select the mesh that I want to incorporate into the model, then select the character model and join them. But before that, one thing that I did not say, and I did not know before I started the tutorial, is that if you want to preserve the UV map of this model before joining, you have to go here to the data tab in object mode, go down to UV maps, unfold it, and as you can see here, this is the UV map from this Minecraft Steve, and I'm going to name it exactly the same as the one from Cloud. Because if I don't do that, let's just assume that I did not do that, name it whatever. If I then go to Steve, select Cloud and join him, it's going to lose the texture, and obviously it loses completely the UV map. So gonna undo that, go to Steve again, select again the UV map and name it exactly the same as the Cloud one. And then once we join the two models, it's going to preserve the textures. If I go now into UV editing mode and select the mesh from Steve, go here, it still has the material, so you can just use this. We have here both we have here the UV map from Steve. Now if I go here once more and select the one from Cloud that I want to use, it's top A in my case, and select it also. As you can see here, here's the Cloud UV unwrap model, and here's the Minecraft Steve one. And for this I'm just going to grab only the Cloud one. So let's select this. Make sure that the scaling mode is set to the cursor. That way when we scale it down to around 50%, it will stay just here. I'm going to do the same with Minecraft one, and just gonna move one unit up so it stays right there. If I select the top one once again, as you can see, they're both UV maps here. And that's all you need to do in Blender, really. It's everything. So for now, I'm just going to go to my image editor of choice, and I'm going to edit this texture so the Clouds one is here and the Minecraft one is right there. So let's go to, in my case, paint.net, because we don't need Photoshop for such simple jobs. And for the image size, it's going to be exactly double as the one from Cloud, so 4096 1096 and 4096 again. Let's delete everything that we don't need, or just use a black color as background, doesn't matter. And once that's done, let's go to the Cloud texture, select it, go again to the new image, create a new cape if you want, a new layer I mean, and let's move it down exactly here. It has to be exactly there. Once that's done, do the same with the Minecraft one. In my case, obviously this texture is way too small. As you can see, it's tiny. So I'm going to upscale it to the same size of clouds. Select everything, let's go again to this, and oh, it pasted exactly where I wanted. If you want, you can also paint it this black. Makes no difference, but makes it easier in the eyes. And that's all we have to do. Obviously you have to repeat this if your character, in that case obviously it does, has multiple texture maps, in this case 6. So you'll have to repeat this to every single of these materials, of these textures. Once this is done, you're just going to export this because it's color, and click save. Once again I'm going to go to save again, but in TGA or PNG, whatever you want. I'm used to select TGA. As you can see, this is the image. It's going to click OK, let's flatten it, and that's all we have to do with the textures. Once again, go to Blender, let's get into a shading tab again, remove this texture, let's go to the one that we just did, as you can see, the top model is wrong. Here, I did use the wrong texture in paint.net, so it was all messed up. So anyway, as I was doing, let's just go to just see that it's working, at least for cloud, but for Steve obviously it isn't. That's because it's still using the wrong material. So for this, we're just going to go to the material tab. Let's go to Steve's one and delete it because we don't need it anymore. And once again, let's just go into edit mode. Well, to be honest, it's better if you don't delete it just now. So back down a bit. Go into edit mode, select nothing, then select only the texture from the material from Steve or its vertices, click and select. Then once again go to the material we want to use, click it, select it, click assign, and voila, we have it where we want it. Just go again into object mode, delete the Minecraft material because we don't need it anymore, and that's all. Here's the model inside of Unreal. So let's close it, let's save the project, let's click on package project, save, select folder, and we wait. Anyway, it's been a long time since I last recorded the tutorial, so if there's anything you don't understand or something I did not explain properly, just drop a comment or send me a DM on Discord and I'll try to help you out.